Alright, here we're back at it again. I did get the pulley on, or the fan on. I could not find a nut. I didn't have a nut for it. It ends up it's a 7/16 fine thread of some sort. I don't have a pitch gauge here. But what I found was an old drum sander in a set of other parts I got for this. And this thing's rock hard. But I was able to screw that on and with an Allen wrench on the other side, and it just pulled it down in. Unfortunately, this is aluminum, and I think I pulled the threads in this. So when you're putting this on, get a 7/16 nut, a couple of good washers, and it just draws right down on there just fine. Throw this on. It went real good, easy to do. I think the bearings were about 20 bucks a piece. One of them was cheaper. I am going to look on Craigslist and maybe if I can find some of these cheap enough, because they're good tools. Figure I'll just finish it up and put the blade on it so we can see that it worked. These are small bolts, so this is just a 7 1/4 Amana I had. It's not a negative rake blade, but it should. I'm only doing small cuts with it. Oop, almost forgot. I took a little sandpaper and just smoothed these off. Get the corrosion and that off of them. To put my Allen wrench away. I'm gonna pause. Alright, had to get an Allen wrench. A lot of people just like to really torque down a saw blade nut. You do not have to do that. You know, just a good snug. I mean, snug for me is a little bit stronger, but the wrenching them down, that is not good for it. Like I said on the other one, this cover will not take a 9-inch blade. I don't know why the other one will take a 9-inch blade. Actually, I'm going to get them switched around. This one is for this saw, but I'm not going to change blades around right now because I got to get back to work. I got it turned around backwards now, of course. Spin it around, clean the dust off the table, and then cut a piece of wood. the noise. That is about 7/8, 15/16. This is all full dimension lumber, and no problem. So, but yeah, I think it. This video, if I would have had this before I did the first one, instead of, I don't know, a couple of 3 hours to do it, this one, if I would have done it all at one time without the hassle of videoing, less than an hour. So, but I hope this helps anybody. If I get the chance, I will put all this on one video and throw it back up. It's just the only way I could do it with the phone and upload. So, thanks a lot.